Hello everyone! Welcome back to another video. This is Laura and today I'm coming back with probably the easiest drink in the world. They are made just with wire and tiny tube beads. They are really cheap and easy to find, so I really hope to give them a go. You can use as many colors as you wish or make different designs. Just try different things and I'm sure you'll find your own style. So well, without further ado, let's get started. If you like this video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe for more creative DIY jewelry. Hit the notification sign and you'll be notified by YouTube every time I'll post new videos. Hope to see you in my next tutorial, but until then remember to stay beautiful, smile and be very happy.